Hi, Clau.
Hi.
Are you ready for 73 questions with Vogue?
Sure.
Where are we right now?
I don't know.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about life right now?
12.
Describe yourself in a hashtag.
Me?
If you could do a love scene with anyone, who would it be?
You.
What's your favorite time of day?
Daylight.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Dream country to visit?
California? Is that a country?
What's the biggest surprise you've had?
My dog.
Heels or flat sneakers?
Flat sneakers.
Vintage or new?
Vintage.
What are 3 things you can't live without?
My boyfriend, my family, and my dog.
What's one ingredient you put in everything?
Cheese.
What 3 people, living or dead, would you like to make dinner for?
Elvis Presley, Marilyn Monroe, and Audrey Hepburn.
What's your biggest fear in life?
Death.
Window or aisle seat?
Window.
What's your current TV obsession?
Riverdale.
Favorite app?
Instagram.
Question 20. Most adventurous things you've done in your life?
Probably going on a jet ski with my boyfriend.
How would you define yourself in 3 words?
Optimistic sometimes, not all the time. Organized and sleepy.
Style icon?
Audrey Hepburn.
Favorite piece of clothing you own?
A Barbie t-shirt.
Must-have clothing item everyone should have?
Underwear.
Superpower you would want?
To fly.
Are you early or late?
Normally, early.
What's inspiring you in life right now?
My mom.
Best piece of advice you've received?
Treat others how you would like to be treated.
Best advice you'd give your teenage self?
Don't shut up.
A book that everyone should read?
Probably all of the Harry Potter books.
How do you define beauty?
I don't think beauty has a definition.
What do you love most about your body?
That it's a body.
Best way to take a rest?
To sleep.
Favorite place to view art?
My Instagram, check it out.
If your life were a song, what would the title be?
My life.
If you could master one instrument, what would it be?
Probably the guitar.
If you had a tattoo, where would it be?
In my arm.
Dolphins or koalas?
Dolphins.
What's your spirit animal?
Dogs.
Best gift you've ever received?
A dog.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Least favorite color?
Orange.
Diamonds or pearls?
Pearls. It's me.
Drugstore makeup or designer?
Designer.
Blow dry or air dry?
Blow dry.
Pilates or yoga?
Yoga.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
What's the weirdest word in the English language?
Ask Mary Poppins.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Chocolate with milk.
Stairs or elevator?
Stairs.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
You are stuck on an island, you can pick one food to eat forever. What would it be?
Spaghetti.
A dessert you don't like?
Spaghetti.
A skill you're working on mastering?
Video ideas.
Best thing to happen to you today?
This.
Worst thing to happen to you today?
This.
Best compliment you've ever received?
I don't know.
Favorite smell?
Sunflowers.
Hugs or kisses?
Both.
If you made a documentary, what would it be about?
My life?
Last piece of content you consumed that made you cry?
A Disney movie.
Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lipstick.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Girl crush?
Selena Gomez.
How can you know you're in love?
Just by... I just know.
Last song you can listen to on repeat?
Take You by Why Don't We?
If you could switch lives with someone for a day, who would it be?
Selena Gomez.
What are you most excited about this time in your life?
Today.
Your go-to for having a good laugh?
You.
Your affirmation for today?
That this interview is over.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Are you ready for 7?
Me? California.
What's
It's not a country, right?